Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Pepe update today. So Pepe at the moment again is at the highest part of this resistance point, and we haven't seen any further progress down the road ever since then. Okay, so here is your resistance again, resistance to number 2 there, number 3 right here, and you still are moving sideways right now. So one can say that we may have a squeeze happening, so I'm looking forward to this right over there. Okay, so the squeeze takes you until 30th of September. Today's 27 and 3 more days to also close the the private channel as well. So do message me on AdamCoins_ on Twitter to be a part of it. So right now until 30th of September you are going to have a junction. Okay, so the junction comes in, and this junction is probably going to tell us if everything will be okay, and we may, if everything is okay, right, we may be looking at things to push up, and you do have a technical target that I've given you before, so you're looking for this move to the upside as well. And yesterday I do remember telling you that the EMAs are issue right now. Okay, so you do have the EMA right over there, and I'm going to tell you one more thing. Yes, the 20 is acting very, very heavy right now, the red line that you see. But the second thing is that you may see the candlestick reading on the daily. So you have this one green, one red. So these two combined with one another are forming in a bearish candle, and this bearish candle probably may play out today as well, then trying to go down, who knows. Okay, so yeah, but the thing is that when you have a two candles combined like this, which are bearish, almost like a bearish harami candlestick pattern, and on top of that you have the EMAs, which is stopping the prices to continue to move to the upside, then you may want to be careful at that point of time, because that's not a good sign. We still may see some furthermore downtrend to happen. I've been waiting for the whole September basically to see what Bitcoin is going to do, but Bitcoin has been staying in at $26,300 and $500 and $27,000. So I haven't seen Bitcoin doing too much of a progress, even though the expectation was maybe in September we just may see Bitcoin going down to fill the CME gap at $20,000. But I haven't seen anything like that happen. I haven't seen Bitcoin going down just yet. And if Bitcoin does go down, we may see Pepe as well trying to move to the downside. Some few technical targets have been met. I've told you some, when we were up here, I've been telling you the technical target down here. And we've actually met the technical target. But we still have one more pending, which is at 5,000 area, this right over here. I was expecting prices to still continue to come down and probably touch this box, and maybe even just continue a little bit more further down, because you don't have any support right over there. You see, this is an empty space. So that's it for this very quick update on Pepe. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.